Oh, what have we got here? A mudding maniac. Give her! Sounds like she's missing already. Can't believe this is the first time we mudded that thing. Definitely missing. I think the old is better. Well, that's how you treat a Chevy. Definitely got a few wet wires. A bad cam, a bad rod knock. What else does it have? Keep the revs up. I'm not going to stand in there and push them. Oh well, he's an amateur. Come on, don't jam in at park. Cool. Save. Oh, got my belly. What the hell? You bastard. He knows how to play. Gotta see if we can still go up Sky Hill with wet wires. Uh-oh, hydrolock. Go for it. Nope, I can tell that. It's too wet. Hey, watch the merchandise. Yeah, go for it. You're supposed to put it in reverse, you idiot. Yeah! Uh-oh. You killed my truck. You bastard. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I guess the mud won. Come on! You need some gas! Sweet. Knock knock. Who's there? Just my Chevy truck. That sounds better than a 305. Well, as long as he's in reverse, he's not spraying me again. My mouth. Getting a bit carried away. Obviously I bought the gas. Look at me. Alright, that's enough. You owe me a bath.
Mud it, Dave.
I need a full detail for retail.
How's it feel to be mudded?
Yeah.
I didn't get too bad.
Yeah, you look fine. You wear white, and you actually came out amazing today for wearing white.
Because it's what it says on the back. Eh?
Okay.
That's what it says on the back. See, it's a...
Yeah. What do you say about this crap?
Well, I didn't want to split the dry shaft out when I got stuck, so...
You got it in my mouth. It's on my lens.
You do it right. You gotta do it right, Dave. You gotta get it everywhere.